Hey, Simon,
Yeah, Pete.
using those ABCs?
Yeah, Pete.
Alright, and 1 and 2. Okay, that was a little fast. I couldn't really quite catch all the letters. Could you try again, but a little bit slower?
Yeah, Pete.
Thanks, Simon.
No problem, Pete. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, what you sing with me?
Could you maybe do it real slow?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now
Okay, alright. Thank you. But I thought we were gonna sing it.
I'd like to practice first.
Oh,